Who wants to deal with this gross mess? Ew.
We looked at the nasty baits and lures available in stores today, but couldn't find anything that attracted fish in a simple and efficient way. So we created it ourselves. Introducing Animated Lure. Animated Lure is a rechargeable robotic lure, the likes of which the world has never seen.
Once you place Animated Lure into the water, you'll notice it starts to swim on its very own, mimicking the swim patterns of real fish.
That's
Pretty
cool.
If you think it swims like a real fish, what are the fish going to think? So why?
Why? Why spend so much time and money on traditional lures and live baits when you can use Animated Lure?
See how much you can learn on Shark Tank? It's
amazing, Kevin.
I have to ask
Who knew?
Damon, though, is this different than anything you've ever used to fish with?
Yeah, I've never seen it. How often does it rust, or like how many times you need to rebuy that unit?
Yeah. So right now we have about 40 times. This is with action, with you catching fish and stuff like that.
So how long does it hold a charge for?
So for different sizes, for the minis up to 45 minutes of swim. For the classic is an hour and a half. For the biggest one, you see the saltwater, the one that's in production right now, that's up to 2 hours.
I don't like it. Oh, I don't know if it's even legal, is it? I mean, I don't know. Chris would know better than I would, but I'm not sure. I don't know if in the state of Minnesota, at least, if you can use something that is electronic it's like almost like baiting on some level. But anyways, from a trademark perspective, they have a number of trademark applications and registrations at the United States Patent and Trademark Office.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, they actually did get a registration for Animated Lure. When I first saw it, I thought, ooh, that's pretty descriptive of what it is, right? It's I think of animation, you think of robotics, right? But Animated Lure, they have a registration for Animated Lure with a disclaimer to the word lure. What's interesting is that they must have had different examining attorneys at the USPTO, because one of their registrations, they disclaimed the whole phrase animated lure. Whereas in the other two applications, they were not required to disclaim the word animated, just the word lure. But that happens from time to time at the USPTO. Each examiner gets to do their own thing. But they are registered for fishing products, battery packs. And the only thing that I think that they're missing would be a Class 35 application to protect maybe that online retail store that actually provides the sales to consumers. But yeah interesting invention. It's not for me, but yeah.
Kevin O'Leary signed up. He was in for $325K for 10%. Wow. And he got like $3 for every one sold. Wow. That was a deal. I can't find any update. And so in the whole show, I watched the whole 10-minute segment. They didn't mention the word patent once. I did see that they were patent pending, but it never got issued.